Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. At sa video ito, ating pag-aaralan ang simultaneous equations word problems. Okay? So meron tayong example dito na the town of Springfield purchased a Chevrolet, a Ford, and a Toyota for a total of $66,000. The Ford was $2,000 more than the Chevrolet, and the Toyota was $2,000 more than Ford. What was the price of each car? Okay, so dito muna tayo sa first equation na kung saan Chevrolet and Ford total of $66,000. So pwede natin gamitin yung kanilang yung letter. Okay. Okay, so meron tayong C for Chevrolet, okay, plus yung Ford at saka yung Toyota. Ang sabi niyan, ang total niya is, okay, so kalimutan muna natin yung dollars. 66,000. Okay? So yan yung first sentence. Now, the Ford was $2,000 more than Chevrolet. So yung Ford daw ay $2,000 more than Chevrolet. Or pwede nating gawing C plus 2,000. Okay. Next sentence or next part, next equation, Toyota was $2,000 more than Ford. So yung Toyota daw ay $2,000 more than Ford. Okay, so yan na yung ating tatlong equation. So kung mapapansin mo natin, meron tayong F is equal to C plus 2,000. Then Toyota or letter T is equal to F plus 2,000. So pwede natin gamitin yung substitution method. Pwede natin siyang i-substitute ito dito and then yung T for here. Gamitin natin yung equation 1. So please C plus F plus T is equal to 66,000. So again, gagamitin natin yung F. Okay. So meron tayong C plus 2,000. Then plus yung T ay F plus 2,000 is equal to 66,000. Okay? Next. So meron tayong 2C is equal to 2,000, okay, plus 2,000 plus, okay, F plus 2,000 is equal to 66,000. Next one, 2C plus F plus 4,000 is equal to 66,000. Okay? So 2C plus F equals 66,000 minus 4,000. So 2C plus F is equal to 62,000. Okay, so C plus F. So meron tayong C and then meron tayong F. Ano sa palagay nyo ang pwede natin gawin? So pwede natin gamitin itong equation number 2. Pwede natin siyang i-derive sa F minus C is equal to 2,000. Okay. So minus C plus F is equal to 2,000. Okay, so binaliktad ko lang ito ha. Okay. So parang magiging negative C plus F equals 2,000. Okay. Then we have 2C plus F is equal to 62,000. Okay, so gusto kong ma-cancel or gusto kong i-zero itong F. So, i-multiply ko siya sa negative 1. Okay, so magiging C minus F is equal to negative 2,000. Then 2C plus F is equal to 62,000. Okay, cancel. So meron tayong 3C is equal to 60,000. Okay, so over 3 both sides. So C is equal to $20,000. So yun yung Chevrolet. $20,000. So ngayon pwede na nating makuha. Okay, so meron tayo ditong balik tayo dun sa equation. Ayan. So pwede tayong bumalik dito. So since meron tayong meron tayong F and C, pwede natin siyang gamitin para makuha yung Ford. F minus C is equal to 2,000. Okay. So F minus, ang C natin is 20,000 equals 2,000. So F is equal to 2,000 plus 20,000. So yung Ford, ang price ng Ford is $22,000. Okay? So ngayon meron tayong Chevrolet. Nakuha na natin yung Chevrolet at saka Ford. So ngayon kunin naman natin yung Toyota. So ito yung may complete set, yung equation 1. Scroll tayo. So meron tayong C plus F plus T is equal to 66,000. So yung C natin magkano? 20,000. So meron tayong 20,000 plus yung Ford is 22,000 plus T is equal to 66,000. So meron tayong meron tayong 42,000 plus T is equal to 66,000. So T is equal to 66,000 minus 42,000. So, ilan yan? $24,000. Okay. So, i-check natin. Kung i-check natin yan, 24,000 plus 20,000 plus 22,000, dapat mag-equal yan sa 66,000. Right? I-check natin. So, meron tayong 24,000 plus 20 plus 22. Okay. 0, 0, 0. So, meron tayong 6 and 6. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, tama ang ating sagot. Okay. So, that's all for today. Thank you so much and have a nice day, everyone. God bless you all.